Hey everyone, I'm Tomek Porożyński. Today I want you to meet Zubro, a voice-first English tutor powered by Gemini Live API. So once you are logged in, there are a couple of different options, something for newbies to introduce a new person to the program, check your level, free conversation, roleplay, presentation code, coach, and report card. Report card has actually history of all your check your level reports. So let me show you an example one. Those are fairly detailed with some superpowers, some things to work on, and detailed notes on grammar, vocabulary, and stuff like that. But to show you some of the other capabilities, let's go for instance for the presentation coach. Here I can upload any of my presentation, right? I want to work on, and that's an example one. And there are two things I can do. I can either practice, record what I'm doing and get evaluation later, or go for discussion to have a live session with Zubro. Notice the status bar will change.
I'm ready. Let's go through the slides.
All right, thanks Zubro. Let's go for this one, the introduction. Can you pretend to be me and do the introduction?
Sure, I can do that. Hello, everyone. I'm Tomek Porożyński, a GDE for AI and Cloud and ML engineer. You can find me on LinkedIn via the QR code. Today, we're diving into the world of Google AI.
Okay, that's pretty nice. What do you think about this slide? Is it good?
I think it's a strong start. It immediately highlights the core challenge your presentation will address, the confusion around all the different tools. It sets the stage well.
Super, thank you. So that's one of the features, right? Another one I can show you, maybe free conversation.
Well, hello, Tomek. It's good to see you again. It wasn't long at all, just about 45 minutes ago. I actually have some new practice suggestions for you. When you're feeling ready, just ask about your practice list and we can take a look.
Yeah, sure. So let's focus on the practice list from my list, not the suggestion ones, just my list. What's on it?
You've got mixed condition on your personal list.
Oh, that sounds fun. Can you propose an infographic we can focus on with that topic?
That does sound like a great plan. To get us started, let me generate an infographic that fits that topic. How about a visually interesting, detailed, futuristic city at a complex intersection? We can use that to create different hypothetical scenarios. A dynamic image is on its way.
All right, this is awesome visual aid. Let me now close the session and let's go back to the home screen. So I showed you like 2, maybe 3 features from the application. I hope I got you hooked. And in the meantime, let me show you a little bit of the backstage, how the application is actually hosted. Okay, so let me quickly jump to my Google Cloud Console. If we navigate to Cloud Run, we should see the service at hand, which is this one. If we go for revisions, you can notice it has a couple of environments variables, including secret being a secret, storage bucket that is used for temporary media, and it has policy to remove everything within 24 hours. Of course, application is designed to remove it first, but in case if application fails, the objects will be removed anyways. From the security point of view, we've got dedicated service account with minimum permissions necessary to do its job. What else? External load balancers being used, custom domain, SSL certificates, obviously. Yeah, that's about it. All right, so I hope you like the quick demo of the application. Please feel free to test it yourself and let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a pleasant rest of the day. Bye-bye.